Hey there, is Amanda Lynn working? Till 4. Okay, perfect. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Another day, another problem.
For starters, the problem is this hair of mine. It's getting in my way. So today, we are going to get haircuts.
When Thomas has long hair, he touches his hair all the day long.
Constantly. I'm constantly looking at it, constantly touching it,
moving it, feeling it.
It's never how I want it to look. So we're getting that taken care of today.
Yep, so this is going to be a short video about Thomas and maybe me getting a haircut. Let's do this. So, how short do you plan on going, Mr. Thomas?
I don't know yet. I feel like it's going to be pretty short. I want it to be pretty short. I want to get my money's worth. I want it to be a big difference. I don't know. We'll see. I usually have a picture, like an inspiration picture that I take with me, and I may whip one out while we're there.
Goodbye. When was the last time you got a haircut?
In March. So it's August. No, it's September. 6 months. But you know, that saves a lot of money. Let's just say that right now.
Yep.
Hello. Up first is PJ.
Mine's not as dramatic as what Thomas is gonna be.
I love your hair like that. He hasn't been washing his hair, and it looks so good. I'm gonna start with the sides, not as short as but just like cutting them, and then
and leaving the top?
Obviously not this long, but like maybe I could do like here.
I just want to see it short on the sides and it long on the top.
Okay, well maybe don't take any off the top yet.
Okay.
Oh, that's great. I told you. You have a man bun going on right now.
My dream is realized. I know. I'll keep it. Check out my little fur.
No, I'm trying to get out.
I am gonna.
Look.
It is a look, yeah.
I look, Amanda don't lie.
What is that, a 1 guard?
This is a 3. I'm gonna fade down this time.
Okay.
Give us a turn.
Last time I did a half guard.
Say hi. Hi. Okay, so this is Amanda Lynn. She has been cutting our hair for
Over a year.
it's been longer than that.
Year and a half.
Yeah.
We love them.
Okay, so you got your haircut after 6 months of not getting a haircut, and what do you think?
I like it. I feel 5 pounds lighter. My hair was so hot and heavy.
Yes.
'Cause it never really matters.